so pretty, now shake that thing. Work that thing. Drop that thing. Put your hands up. Now say, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Get ready to ride. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Get ready to ride.
Hi everyone, it's Brooklyn, current NFL cheerleader and PCP graduate with sideline prep. Today I'm going to teach you a pro-style, country-themed combo. I really hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. One note before we start learning the combo is that I'm going to try my best to use counts, but I'm also going to use the words. So I'll go back and forth between counts and words, but I will try my best to do counts. So we're going to start to the back, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to Pondu your right leg out to the front, and it says shake that. So you're going to go shake that. You're going to do a body roll. Shake that thing. So that would be 1, 2, 3. So shake that thing. Bum, 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 bum. So it goes, if I was singing it, it would go shake that thing. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I'm going to go through it with music too, so it will make more sense. So we'll go 1, 2, pony, and 3, and 4. Your arms are breaking down. Your leg is coming into passe each time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. It says work that thing. You're going to ball change with your left leg coming in front. Work that thing. So you're doing a body roll. Your arms are kind of in this broken W position. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, work that thing. You're going to do a little like re-ball change. Work that thing, ball change, kick. So that would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8 is your kick. So let's do all of that one more time before we add on. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Sorry, I didn't break my arms, and I just told you to do that, so let's try again. We're going to go, I'm going to sing it because I think it will be easier for me. 5, 6, 7, 8, shake that thing, bum, bum, bum. Work that thing, bum, bum, bum. So we kick 7, 8. The next word, it says drop that thing. So you're going here, here. You're going to step when you come down to drop that. So you're crossing your arms in front. You're bending down to the side. Drop that thing. Bum, bum, bum. So if we were counting and 7 and 8, again, it's the same counts as the beginning. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we did 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2. Make sure you go all the way down. I was just marking it. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then it says, put your hands up. So we're going to go to the back, put your hands up, and then it says, now shake. So put your hands up, your feet are together, your hands are pressing up to the ceiling. Put your hands up, and then you're going to shake from left to right, now shake. And you're going to be in plie for that position. So we did 1, 2, and 3, and 4. When you do this move too, you want to just rock your left foot. So this right foot is staying planted, and this left foot is the heel that's initiating the movement. So we did 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When he says in the words, now shake, it's very fast. It's like, now shake. but we're gonna ignore that beat and we're gonna go on counts. 7, 8. It will make sense with the music and when I show you with music. So before we add on, let's do all of that. So we start to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from there, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to ball change to pivot turn back to the front. So we're going to step on our right foot to our left. Our hands are coming, one is to our right hand is on our hip, and our left arm is out in a low V. 7, 8, and 1. Don't turn to the front till 2. So, and 1, 2, you're gonna walk 3, 4. So we go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you take those walks to the front, this arm will come out back into that low V to match the other. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to jump onto our left foot. Our arms are going to break. 3, 4, 5. I'm doing this little flick position. So my right leg is coming behind me. My knees are attached together. 3, 4, 5, 6. We plant it down. We're in this nice open bevel position. 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to plie down 7, 8, and come up. Hair flip. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we did our hair flip 5, 6, 7, come up 8. We are going to the right. We're dragging 1. So my right arm is on my hip and my left is pushing away. 7, 8, 1. Come back to this position. So 4 starch to the front. 1, 2. I'm trying to think of the counts. This might be easier with words. Sorry. So if we go back, this is put your hands up. Now shake. It says, whoa, get ready. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. On the next bam, a lamb, you're going, I can't do it slow. Whoa, get ready. Bam, no, sorry. You're starting with your left arm. Whoa, get ready. Left, left, right, sit. So we're going up, up, down. So, whoa, get ready, bam, lamb, and then it says get ready to ride, and he really extends the word ride, so it's like get ready to ride. So we're going, whoa, get ready, bam, lamb. You're going to grab your hands and bring them to your right shoulder. So now to start, you're at your left, and you're going to bring it to your right. You're going up to sit. So I'll do that again because I know that kind of is confusing. Up, up, down, get ready. So you're doing like this kind of out in motion. Bam, a lamb, get ready. And then also you can do this combo with palms. I don't have palms right now, but if we were to use palms on this part, get ready to, and then he says ride. On ride, we're gonna do a big circle, and this right arm is going to come out. Get ready to ride. And that's a moment where you hold on. You want to make eye contact with someone out there, smile, and then if we did have palms, we could shake our palms like this. So get ready to ride. 8. if we were counting. So let's go back from the pivot turn. We did put your hands up, now shake. Whoa, get ready, bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready, bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready, bam, a lamb. Get ready to ride. 6, 7, 8. By 8, your arm should be up and your right hip should be sticking out, leaning into that right leg. So let's go from the top. I'm going to do my best to count. I probably will start singing because I think that's easier for musicality, and then we're almost done, so we can finish it once we do this. So we did 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake that thing, da, da, da. Work that thing, da. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your hands up. Now shake. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Get ready to ride. 7, 8. Okay, so from here we just did 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to mark it right now just because of the space that I'm teaching in, but when I do it at the end, I'll obviously do it full out. But we're going to go, it says, bam, a lamb, get ready to ride, 7, 8, and then it repeats. It says, whoa, get ready. You're gonna go step on your right foot, step, drag. So whoa, get ready, run, bam, a lamb, and then on the next whoa is when you're gonna do the jump. So you're gonna do a jeté to the corner. So we're gonna do 6, 7, 8, whoa, get ready, bam, a lamb, whoa. So just imagine I did that full out. When we do it with music, you'll see me do it full out, so you have the full idea, but just because of the space I'm in, we're gonna mark it. So we just did 1, 2, 3, I don't know the counts for this part, I'm sorry. Get ready to ride, 7, 8. Whoa, get ready, bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. And then you're gonna do 2 little kind of mini jumps. So we did whoa, get ready on the next bam, a lamb. You're gonna go bam, a lamb. Your left arm is coming in and your right arm is coming out to snap. So we did whoa, get ready. Whoa, land, get ready, snap, bam, a lamb, whoa, get ready. So on the next whoa, get ready, we're gonna pull to the right, whoa, get ready. So we go right, whoa, get ready, left, get ready. We're gonna do a 3-step turn to the right, bam, a lamb, bam, a lamb. You're gonna sit in your right hip, bam, a lamb, and then it says get ready to ride again. And we're gonna do 1 big lasso, get ready to ride, and then you're gonna sit again in that same pose. And that's the end. So let's go back from our scoop. Get ready to ride, 7, 8. Whoa, get ready, bam, a lamb, jump, whoa, get ready, snap, bam, a lamb, pull, whoa, get ready, turn, bam, a lamb, get ready to ride, land. So your levels really matter on this last part. You want to start from your 3-step turn, step, step, sit. Then on that lasso, you want to come up. I have straight legs. If I was doing this from the side, my legs are straight and I'm on my releve. On my releve. Lasso, and then I sit again. So the levels are really important because the choreography is so minimal and you want to take up all of the music. So let's walk it from the top slow and then we'll do walk it from the top fast, and then I'll do it with music. But good job, guys. This is such a fun combo. I love this song, and I just wanted to do something fun. So I'm glad that we're doing this. So we're gonna go slow. I'm gonna sing it because I think that will make more sense. So we're going to go 6, 7, 8. Shake that, da, da, da. Work that, bum, bum. Kick, drop that, bum, bum. Put your hands up. Now shake. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Get ready to ride. 7, 8. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Get ready to ride. 7, 8. Okay, now let's go a little faster. I'm going to try to count and do it faster, or sing and do it faster. I'm still gonna mark the jeté just because of space, but when I do it with music full out, you will see that jeté. So let's go a little faster. Okay, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake that thing, da, da, da. Work that thing, da, da. Drop that thing, da, da, da. Put your hands up. Now shake. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Get ready to ride. 7, 8. Whoa, bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Whoa, get ready. Bam, a lamb. Get ready to ride. 7, 8. I will say, oh, my hair is in my face, that it's much easier with music than it is slow because the music is so syncopated. So let's do it with music.
Big old booties and so pretty, now shake that thing. Work that thing. Drop that thing. Drop that. Put your hands up. Now say, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Get ready to ride. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam. Get ready to ride.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed learning and performing this combo. I had so much fun creating it, and I can't wait to see all of your videos. Make sure to send them to us here at Sideline Prep to get extra feedback from our coaches. I'll see you in the next one.